This is the song Bluebird from Naruto Shippuden. Do you want to know how to learn this? Let me show you. It is simple and it is easy to play, just in 4 lines. Let me show you how. Starting off with the right hand, where we play the notes in the first line like this. And for the second line, got it? The third line is just as same as the first line. But if you want, you can make one octave higher like this. And for the fourth line, got it? Next up, the left hand, we will play chorus in the first line, such as D major 7, C sharp minor 7, and F sharp minor. For the second line, B minor 7, E, and A. Got it? Next, the third line is a little bit different from the first line. Like after D major 7, it's not C sharp minor 7, instead is C sharp 7, then F sharp minor. And also the fourth line is a little bit different from the second line. Like after B minor 7, we play E, and then we play F sharp minor instead of A. Got it? I'm gonna play this melody in both the hands. Please watch and listen carefully. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit a like, share, comment, and press the red button to subscribe and press the bell icon. And also, tell me in the comment section which song you want to learn next.